Interior location. It should be in a flat and stable area, and if it's at night, it should be well lit.
The shoulder, the side of the road can be a place to be, but if you can find a better place like a parking lot, much better, right?
Okay. First, we have to secure the vehicle. Ladies, please go near the vehicle so you would know how to secure it from rolling.
Place the vehicle in gear 1 or the park position. And engage the handbrake. So again, gear 1, park position, engage handbrake.
Once the car is secure, you identify which tire is flat.
There are instances where there are more than one flat tire. In those instances, then we have to call help. But in this particular scenario, we have just one flat tire, the front driver's side tire. Right?
And then we have to open the trunk and prepare the following equipment. But for today, it's prepared here on the table.
All right. There are more tools here. These are our recommended number of tools that you need for your vehicle. However, what you need for this particular scenario, for this exercise, are the following: the jack, the jack handle. That is the jack handle. All right. The tire wrench. All right. We have two types of tire wrenches. This is the cross wrench. All right. And this is usually the one that's given to you by the manufacturer of your vehicle. Alright, there you go. And two early warning devices. The ones below, one yellow and one red. These are required in order to register your vehicles. So kasama po yan, ma'am. And last but never the least, of course, a working spare tire. You have to check your spare tires that they have air. Sometimes this is the last or the least that we check in our vehicles because they are hidden. Each particular vehicle has a different different area where they put these particular tools. Trying to find them. Sometimes they're under the seat, they're in the trunk, they're in the boot. Well, sometimes they're even on the sides of your vehicle, on the doors themselves. Okay?
Okay, so once you've prepared all the equipment that you need to change a flat tire, you take the two early warning devices, one red and one yellow, place it 4 meters away from your vehicle.
So that's 4 meters.
Place the red early warning device 4 meters away from the vehicle.
4 meters is roughly equal to the length of your vehicle, right? For a sedan, I mean. And for 4 long strides, right? 4 long strides. For our exercise, because since we're not in the road, we're just going to do 4 short steps. All right? 4 short steps.
Okay, then place the yellow early warning device an additional 6 meters from the red early warning device.
So that's 6. Okay, that's 6 meters. Cross the red. So for simulation purposes, that's 6 short steps. Okay, the EWDs, or the early warning devices, are to warn oncoming traffic. So this can be behind the vehicle or in front of the vehicle, depending on where you're pointing the vehicle right now. This is to warn others of the hazard on the road. In this particular case, who's the hazard? You are. Alright? And of course, this is also to protect you, that you are working around your vehicle.
Next, you get the spare tire and place it in the middle portion of the vehicle frame.
We do this, okay? This is not usually known by others, but we do this for you as a tip for our students. This is an additional help, so in order that the jack would slip, and there are instances where that happens, you have additional space under. Alright? So no feet or no arms will be pinned. Okay? You have enough space to move around.
Next is to place the jack under the jack point of the vehicle.
Okay,
Jack point. Where is the jack point?
This is the jack point. For each particular vehicle, there is a different jack point. Usually it's in the manual of your cars, of your SUVs, but these are the jack points. There's small notches under and near the wheel well. This is the wheel well. Alright?
Okay, using the jack handle, raise the jack until it supports the weight of the vehicle. The next, are they done raising the vehicle?
Just enough for it to bite. So that you would really just feel that there's weight.
Okay, then you have to loosen the nuts using the tire wrench. Just to remove the resistance. You don't need to remove them completely as of yet.
So choose a lug nut, position the handle to be parallel or pointing slightly down to the ground. Place both hands on the side of the vehicle